strong.
Getting your website on the top of a search page is one of the best ways to engage people who are looking for your product or service. It allows you to be the answer to their question. Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm a digital marketing expert who has used search marketing to drive direct revenue and results for my clients and their businesses. I have over 15 years of experience working with industries and companies at the forefront of search. Some of the brands I've helped to build include Dove, Axe, Vaseline, and Coma Hotels and Resorts. In this course, you'll get a deep dive into Google Ads campaign creation and search engine marketing best practices. This class is ideal for you if you're looking to learn the basics of search marketing and gain a better understanding of Google search in order to use it for your own business or for your clients. By taking this course, you will learn to build successful search campaigns that result in user acquisition, e-commerce, and lead generation. Learn to conduct keyword strategy and research, as well as run successful A/B testing strategies. Learn best practices for targeting, ad copy, and landing pages that maximize conversions and ROI for your Google Ads campaigns. This course is not for you if you already have experience with search campaigns. I hope that you'll join me for Learn from Fiverr's Google Ads Fundamentals course, and that this is the first of many times that we will be getting to know each other. We'll start this course by covering basic behavior related to search, how Google serves ads, and how search engine marketing, or SEM, is different from other marketing channels. After that, we'll review best practices for setting up campaigns and how to track conversions. Then, we'll cover keyword strategy, bidding strategy, and ad copy best practices. Finally, we'll talk about what happens after users click on the ads, building effective landing pages, analyzing results, and optimizing search campaigns. Thanks for being a part of this course, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you. Also, I've included downloadable content that you can access in the next section.